Hi there, it is Mrs. Reynolds in the library, and I am showing you today how to find information using a database on our Destiny Discover website. I know that your teacher has been talking to you about finding information that is what we call vetted. That means it's factual and it doesn't change because anybody can put anything on the internet, and sometimes it's true and sometimes it's not. But when you're doing research for school, it is really important that you are using checked factual information. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Now, also, you should have a paper with directions on how to get to the World Book Encyclopedia that I'm showing you. These directions are for you to use when you're at home because it is you have to get on a different way. When you're at school, you can do it the way that I'm going to show you, but when you're at home, you have to use the directions that are on that piece of paper. So what you want to do is you want to start off with going to your Start menu. It's that little icon in the left-hand bottom corner. Looks like a waffle, looks like a window. So you're going to click on that, okay? And it's going to come up with the alphabet, and I want you to click on Destiny Trainer. I am going to get there a little bit of a different way because I have a different icon. So I'm going to click on Destiny. Okay, you're going to see this screen. So if you are somebody who knows how to put books on hold using the Destiny Discover website, this is exactly, you know this, okay? So we're going to go over to login. And you have already logged in. So you're going to go to this big blue bar. You're going to click. And you're going to see this. It is really, really important that you see your name where it says welcome blank to Trainer Middle. If you don't see your name, it is not going to work. So make sure your name is there. My name is Cindy, okay? If you don't see your name there, you're going to want to log out, log back in. We're going to go over here to World Book. I think World Book is really good for doing research because it's friendly for middle schoolers and for librarians. You're going to click on Student. You're going to see this screen. In the search bar, you are going to start typing in the person or the subject that you are researching. So you can either type it in or you can say it, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to start typing it in, and I'm going to go last name first. Okay, so here's washing, and it's going to start giving me suggestions. So I know that I'm not researching a washing machine, I'm not researching hand washing, so I'm going to keep typing. I'm going to go Washington, comma. Now, here is my person that I'm researching. I'm going to click on George Washington. And it's really important for you to spell their last name correctly because it won't come up. The suggestions won't come up, and then it kind of makes it hard. Okay, so we have this World Book Student, and let's take a look at all the different features. Over here, this is like the chapter in a book, okay? There are links, you can click over to the different chapter that you want to learn about. Okay, so we have that. Now, we also have, I know that your teacher is asking for the terms or the years in office. You're going to find that over here. So first administration, second administration. I'm just going to click on that really quickly. It's just going to take me, I'm still in the same article, but it's just going to take me to where I need to go. To get back to where I want to go, just do the back arrow. Okay. Let's go back down here. I have related information. So these are all of the subjects or the people that are associated with George Washington. Okay. Then, let's scroll down here. Okay. Then have the information. This is when he was born, this is when he died, and there's links. So if there's something that you don't understand, click on that link and it will take you to a different website and it'll help you understand it. Okay, now, a really important thing. Oh, and it'll read it to you. So let's see what that sounds like. Okay, so you have that. And then also, when you're using resources for school reports, middle school, high school, and when you go on to college, you have to, and even beyond, you have to cite them. And because you have to say, this is where I got my information from, it's really important that you do that. Because if you don't, it's called plagiarism and you can get in really big trouble and you don't want that. So over here, you have this thing that kind of looks like a flower or a wheel. You click on that. My computer's kind of going slow here. Okay, so, well, goodness, okay. So, here, so my apologies, it is not working. So what you will have is here on this little wheel, it will, it'll come down and it'll say citation. You click on that. Let's try it one more time. Nope. Okay, well, it's not doing it for me today, but it's super easy. You're going to click on it, okay? Citation, you're going to click on that link, and you want to find the MLA citation. And that's what you want to copy, and I know that your teacher can help you with that. Okay, my friends, thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, I'm in the library or ask your teacher. All right, have a great day. Thank you. It's still recording. It's still recording.